I'm going to record Nihat's voice while he's sleeping. This was truly quite frightening. First, we need to go to the App Store and download the SleepRec application onto our mobile phone. This program monitors our sleep patterns and records all your snoring throughout the entire night. It automatically detects any snoring and also continuously monitors our sleep patterns. Please, listen to this now.
You can see how much you've slept, your overall sleep quality, and precisely when you snored. At last, I'll finally be able to prove that Nihat snores when he's asleep. So you should also download the SleepRec app and record your sleep tonight.